welcome to Turtle Burger Crochet and Knitting. My name is Brittany. Today I have kind of a different fun video. I was in the YouTube rabbit trail or hole or whatever a few nights ago. I don't even remember what I was looking up, but in the recommended kept coming up with several years ago. People, I guess it was popular to show what was in their notions pouches. I thought it may not be popular, but that would be kind of fun. So I thought I would show what I keep in my notions pouch that is always with me. So this is mine. So I will preface this by saying I have tried duplicating this to where it would be in just regular like zip up bags in each of my project bags, but this is what I always go back to. I think it's sentimental. So I crocheted this in August of 2016. This was a pattern by Sally V. George. I believe it's just called Crochet Hook Case. There is a Ravelry project page, but I was new to Ravelry at the time, so I didn't put anything. I'm fairly certain this was Red Heart Super Saver in the color Real Teal. This was the first time I sewed a button on, so it's way off center. And this bag just means, our notions pouch is just very special to me. It's signifies the beginning of my crochet journey, and this was actually a practice one. I'll put a picture up, but the reason I made mine was because I wanted to make one for my mother-in-law. So I made her one as a gift. So I'll put the picture I made of hers. Hers was a light purple called Periwinkle. And so let's open it up and see what I always have with me. So this has changed a little bit through the years, but this is the overall, what it looks like on the inside. So as you see here, whoops, on the sides, I keep, I have, these are my 3 favorite darning needles. I have 2 large eye and 1 for like socks, for like a fingering weight yarn. I have Progress Keepers, and these are the lemon, the lollipop, the socks. These are my collection from Mindful Makes. This gummy bear is one from Louise of Adventures with Yarn, and this one was a gift from Leslie and a donation she sent. I have all my different types of stitch markers here. Since I started knitting, I've added 2 cable ones. This yellow one is a thicker one for like probably DK and up, thicker yarn, cable needle, and then this one is for like thinner yarn. I haven't used either of them yet. And these are, I like to use, what are these called? Paper clips as stitch markers. And then this one, I don't use this one because stitches fall off of it too easily, but there's an open stitch marker there that came in a set. On this side, I have safety pins, more paper clips, and these kind of closed ones. Now this is what's in the good stuff. So in this center pocket, I keep my earphone case because that's when I listen to the podcast a lot of times. I have a stitch, or not stitch marker, tape measure. I have a pair of scissors and a pair of snips. I'm trying to decide which I like better. I feel like the snips are better safety-wise, but they don't do as good of a job as cutting as scissors. Since I started knitting, I keep this small hook crochet, which is a size C, 2.75 millimeter. This is came in my Clover set. I keep it for drop stitches with my sock yarn. I have 2 pins because you never know when you might need them. Sometimes I have like scratch pads in here, but I don't right now. And then I also keep 2 of my very favorite crochet hooks. These are some that I started out with. They are very typical Brittany colors, but they're very important to me, and I know when I'm using these and when I'm not. The pink one, both of these are Susan Bates crochet hooks. This one is a USI 9 5.5 millimeter, and then the teal one is a US H8 5 millimeter, and both of these are just very special to me. I started off with them, and they're what helps me get comfortable with crochet, and they're typical crochet sizes, so I just always have them with me. So since I've been knitting, I also, not since I've been knitting, this has actually been a few weeks or a couple months in the making. I also now always have with me this set of light bulb stitch markers. They just look like this. This was also a donation from Leslie. They are now always with me. And so that is what's in my notions pouch. Like I said, I've tried putting these same items just in a regular zip-up bag. It's just not the same. This is very special to me and something that I hope to have for years and years to come. It started my crochet journey with me, and hopefully it'll carry on through the years. If you liked this video and this type of video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.